to school. She did not drive to school. And of course you could say she didn't drive to school. The other example is, we did not eat a pizza. Subject, helping verb, negative, main verb, and object. Now we have two examples for questions. Past questions. Did you drive to school? Helping verb, subject, main verb, and complement. And the second example, did you eat a pizza? Helping verb, subject, main verb, and object. Okay? So you can see from looking at this how it goes. Now let's look at it again for the structure of the sentence. So this is like building a building. You're building a building. You need to have the sentence structure good and strong. Okay, so here we have subject, main verb, and complement or object. Okay, I drove to school. I drove to school. Subject, main verb, complement, or object. Okay, this is a positive sentence. Now, with a negative sentence, we do it like this. Subject, helping verb, negative, main verb, and complement or object. Okay, so she did not drive to school. Or we could say didn't, if we put these together. She did not drive to school. Subject, helping verb, negative, main verb, complement or object. And then with the question, we make it like this. This is for a yes-no question. Okay, the answer is yes, no, or I don't know. Okay, when we ask a question, helping verb, subject, main verb, and complement or object. So, did you drive to school? Did you drive to school? Helping verb, subject, main verb, and in this case a complement. Now, notice, in positive, this is the main verb, it's irregular past. In the negative, you have the helping verb, and then it's normal. The main verb is normal. In this one, again, you have the helping verb, and the main verb is normal. Okay? This is very important. This does the work. Let's look at the verb to be. It's a little bit different. It's special. It's very irregular. Now, if you look at the screen, look at the examples on the screen, you can see how the sentences are put together. Now, we have subject, main verb, negative, and complement. I, he, she, it, was at school. I was at school. Subject, main verb, complement. Another example for positive, you, we, they were at school. Subject, main verb, complement. Okay? Now, to make it negative, I, he, she, it was not at school. Subject, main verb, negative, complement. And of course, you, we, they were not at school. You were not at school. Subject, main verb, negative, and complement. Now with questions, we change it. Was I, she, he, it at school? Was I at school? Or were, you, were they, you, we, they at school? Were you at school? Okay, so you have the verb, the subject, and the complement. This is only for be. Okay? We don't use a helping verb with be for negative sentences or questions. And when we ask questions, we change the order for yes-no questions. Yes, no questions. Okay, we change it around. Now look at these sentences. I come to Istanbul every week on the train. This is normal. You came to Istanbul by train last week. Okay? I come to Istanbul every week on the train. You came to Istanbul by train last week. Okay? Another example. You didn't come by train yesterday. This is negative. Now, another example. He drives his car to work. Past, he drove his car yesterday. He didn't drive this morning. Maybe he took the bus. Okay? He drives his car to work. He drove his car yesterday. He didn't drive this morning. Okay? Now, you can practice a bit with look and listen.
Look and listen.
We ate dinner last night. We didn't eat lunch yesterday. You fly to France on a plane on the weekends. We didn't fly in a balloon. He gets on a bus every morning. He got on the bus a few minutes ago. Give me your coat. He didn't give me my coat.
Read and repeat. Simple past tense. Prepositions.
Now, notice the difference in the use of prepositions in and on. Let me change my pen here. Okay, we can sit on a motorcycle, but we drive a motorcycle, okay? Or we ride a motorcycle, okay?